In your Sunday packet, you're going to do the next page, which is 113 lesson, and you are going to be doing the letters Q, F, S. So on the first two lines, you're going to be practicing writing the letter Q, and that is the circle underneath the dotted line touching the bottom, and going through the floor with a hook to the back, right? So go and remember, do your best. It's a little difficult on the screen. Write that and do that everywhere you see a dot, and do the same thing on this line, right? At least 4 times. I want 4 Qs. On the third line is where I want you to think of some words that start with the letter Q. Now remember, all words that we can think of that start with the letter Q or have Q in it, right? So for Q, I'm going to say we can think of words that just have the word or the letter Q in it. It doesn't have to be the very beginning, because that's more difficult letter to think about for words. I want us to think of 2 or 3 words, right? So I think quarter, queen. Remember, the Q always has the best friend partner, U, right after it, right? So I'll do the first word. Let me think. Let's do queen. Queen, qu. And I have to put the U with it because they're together always. Qu. E, long E sound, and I know a double E makes a long E sound. Queen. And so maybe quail, that's a kind of bird. Quarter, question. You choose another one and you put that here, okay? Next we have the letter F. I want you to write it wherever you see the dot and do the same thing here 4 times. And then I want you to think of some words that start with the F sound. Fish, fry, fin, frog. Sound them out. Do your best to sound it out. You know all the letter sounds of the alphabet, and so I want you to do it slowly, sounding out each letter sound and writing that letter you hear. So if you were to do frog, for example, you'd say f, r, a, g, and put a letter for all those letter sounds. Last, I see a lowercase s. Again, everywhere you see a dot, put an S. Then do at least 4 of them on the line below it, right? S, S, good. And then think of some words that start with S. Snail, sit, sun. You have a good imagination. You can think of some S sounds. And do 2 or 3 words on that line on the bottom. When you're finished, take a picture on Seesaw for me, please, so I can see all of your very good writing.